Hello students, welcome in chapter 10, straight line. Students, today I continue our miscellaneous exercise 10. Yes, it's very lengthy and big exercise. All points are covered here in this exercise 10. Stroke related lines, different variation of lines, parallel line, perpendicular line, intersecting lines, all are there. Now first, find the value of k for the given these lines. Parallel to x-axis, second parallel to y-axis, and third passing through the origin. So does here you compare, it is your ax plus by and that the c. You just check ax by c. So what's your a? Yes, you can easily define b also and c also. A I have k minus 3 minus 4 minus k square and k square minus 7k plus 6. Now I go to first case, line parallel to the x-axis. So does x-axis parallel means your line is in this way, y-axis here, that the x, this line is a parallel to x-axis. It is a horizontal line and that is y is equal to something. But we write down 0x plus y. Definitely this x coordinate is 0. I utilize here x coordinate. I mean x coefficient, sir, not coordinate. X coefficient is 0. And what is your x coefficient here in this case? It is a. That become k minus 3. K done. That's the third. Now second question. Same as you asking the second one. Parallel to y-axis. Similarly, you can apply parallel to y. So students, your line is this way, x-axis, y-axis, that's the parallel. It means line is a vertical. And vertical line is your x is equal to something. It means x plus 0y is equal to a. Coefficient of y 0 here. Students check. So I same write down coefficient of y becomes 0. But what is the actual coefficient of y? B. And b is what? Minus. So minus 4 plus k square. It means k square is equal to 4. K is equal to plus minus 2. That the first and second one. Now third C. What is the third C? Passing through origin. Correct? Passing through origin. It means you can apply x0, y0. Here x0, y0. So students, your data is a k minus 3 with 0. Minus 4 minus k square with 0 and k square minus 7k plus 6 0. Exactly that is the 0 value. And you will take splitting 6 ones are. So k is equal to 6. Otherwise k is equal to students 1. And this both answer are same and equal. Now correct that. Now here students, you have 3 marks question done. Now I going ahead same as question number 2. Second also, we are going ahead slowly. Find the value of theta and b in the normal form. Yes. The given equations, find the values of theta and p if the equation x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p is the normal form of the line root 3x plus y root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Students, first of all I derive distance from origin is p. It means that p. First of all you compare in the standard form ax plus by plus abc ready root 3 1 and 2. So what is the perpendicular distance from origin? Modulus c by under root a square plus b square. Either you capital write a and b. ax1 by1, it is a 0 0 value because put it you 0 0. What is your c? 2 by a square b square root 3 square plus 1 square 2 by root 4 2 by 2 which is 1 3 square and 1 square, it is a 3 and 1 4 4 by 2 2 and total you cover 1. So students, here my line is root 3x plus y become minus 2. Here I want to anyhow 1. So what you derive? Yes, divide by minus 2. Each term divide by minus 2 and minus 2. So minus root 3 by 2x plus minus half y is equal to 1, and that is your standard form. For the normal form I will just compare on it. So students, here we compare with x cos theta y sin theta is equal to p. Check your p is 1 exactly. Yes. So cos theta I will write down minus root 3 by 2. Sin theta I will write down minus half. And both negative, it means you are here. In which quadrant? Third quadrant. And third quadrant have degree pi plus 180 plus. So students, I will write down sin theta sin by cos, which is minus half by minus root 3 by 2 1 by root 3. Yes, you correct thinking. 1 by root 3 is a 30 degree, but we not write down 30, it is 180 plus. Here 180, so you can write down 180 degree plus 30. It is how much? 180 plus 30? 210. Otherwise you can write down pi plus pi by 6, 7 pi by 6. It means your theta done 7 pi by 6, either 210, and p is your what? 1. That's your answer. And here happily that question also finished there. Now third one. Find the equation of line. Find equation of line. Yes, lines given which cut off intercept on the axis whose sum and product are 1 and minus 6 respectively. Students, cut off the intercepts on the axis. It means you can draw first line in this way. X-axis, origin, y-axis, and I will take intercepts on x-axis is a here, same as a b. That distance travel is a, the distance travel is b, and line is what? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where x intercept small a, y intercept small b. That is a standard rule. Now check. Find the equation of line, cut off the intercept on the axis of sum and product. Sum given a plus b, which is 1, and product given minus 6. Very easily derive a and b. So here students, b is what? 1 minus a. That I apply here. 1 minus a. Now calculate a minus a square. So a square minus a minus 6 is equal to 0. A square minus a and minus 6. Now 6 splitting, easily you getting value for 3 2s are 6 and 1 common carry. So your answer, students, is simple to simple way. Just apply splitting. So here a square minus a minus 6 I again write and make the splitting. 3 2s are minus 3 because minus 1 point and plus 2. So a is equal to 3, otherwise a is equal to minus 2. Now students, you also derive b value. So what's my b? 1 minus a minus 2. Same is here. 1 minus a, it is 3. That is your b. Now required intercepted line, x by a plus, students, already you taking here this line, x upon a, y upon b. Now put it a and b, easily you get the answer. So here your answer, x by a 3, y by minus 2. So x by 3 minus y by 2, you get 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. That's your first answer. Similarly here, required line, x by a plus y by b. What's your a? Minus 2. B is 3. And take LCM, minus take upper side, minus 3x plus 2y by 6. So minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Either 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 6. That's your second answer. And very easily you can plot that intercepted with product and additions. Addition is your 1 and product is a minus 6. Now continue. Question number 4. 4 also same way, going ahead slowly. What are the points on the y-axis? Yes, which are the points on the y-axis where whole distance given is 4 units? Here students, one mistake in your book, only printed that whole distance. You can write down perpendicular distance. Question is, what are the points on the y-axis whose distance, you can write down here correction, whose perpendicular distance. Perpendicular word not printed in your book. Yes, perpendicular distance from the line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 is 4 units. Students, perpendicular distance means you know the formula modulus wise, and I just apply first of all on the y-axis. Consider here point A 0, y, and that are the above perpendicular distance. That this is a 4 units. A to M distance. Here take LCM, 4x plus 3y. Line L cover 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Can I check again? 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. So very easy. Suppose a 0, y on the y-axis. Yes, point asking on y-axis, that's why a suggestion 0, y. If you given on x-axis, then x0 write down. So suppose a0y on the y-axis, which are perpendicular distance from L, 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0 at a distance 4 units. So simple apply. Perpendicular distance AM is a modulus 4x1 3y1 minus 12 by under root 4 square and 3 square. Now at a students x1 y1 value, that's your x1 and that is your y1, and AM is a 4. x1 I have 0, y1 is y by 25, only 5. Multiply it 20. So here 20 get 3y minus 12, and here students you can apply. There is a two answers. One of the positive, one of the negative. 20 positive taking or 20 negative taking. 3y minus 12. So my answer is students here 20 plus 12. It get 32. So what is the y? 32 by 3. That's your first answer. Same as you can calculate second one. So minus 20 plus 12. It get answer minus 8. Y become minus 8 by 3. It means required point. Here asking point, look at that. On y-axis 0 comma y, you will write down 0 comma 32 by 3 or 0 comma minus 8 by 3. And here students easily you can cover your answer by fourth one. Points on the y-axis are these two are correct answer. Now continue students, I going ahead. Fifth one. Fifth is a very most IMP numericals, exam oriented. Find the equation, distance asking and points given. Fifth one. Before starting you can write down most IMP. Find perpendicular distance from the origin, to the line, to the joining the points cos theta sin theta and cos phi sin phi. Yes students, first of all I derive the line and then after I go to our distance. Students, actually a drawing is here, that is our origin 0 0 and here one of the line L from your points A to B. Here points is A and B. Perpendicular distance I asking here A and B. A I have cos theta sin theta, B I have cos phi sin phi, and that you take x1 y1, here you take x2 y2 and systematically start our equation of line AB from 2 points given. So equation of AB line, formula you known, y minus y1 x minus x1 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 and put it your value, simple x1 y1 x2 y2. So students, what's the y1? Sin theta. What is the x1? Cos theta. And here y2 minus y1, it means sin phi minus sin theta. x2 minus x1, cos phi minus cos theta. Check y2 minus y1 sin theta minus sin phi and x2 minus x1 cos phi minus cos theta. Now students, here you start your journey to big cross multiply. So y minus sin theta with this part I take upper sides, cos phi minus cos theta is equal to x minus cos theta with sin phi minus sin theta. And now slowly expand all terms. So this parts with y first, cos phi minus cos theta minus sin theta with cos phi minus cos theta. I just simple expand it. Here also same is x with the sin phi minus sin theta, x with the sin phi minus sin theta minus cos theta with sin phi minus sin theta. Now students, you just apply cos with sin phi minus sin theta. Now expand to all one by one. So your solution is in simple way. You can arrange first in the ax plus by plus c standard equation of line. So students, I just the same is first write down x part. So AB line x with sin phi minus sin theta. Then after this I write down minus y with cos phi minus cos theta, this one, and right side is taking if you, then plus sin theta with cos phi minus cos theta, and same as minus cos theta sin phi minus sin theta is equal to 0. One more time check. This x sin phi minus sin theta, this take right side, left to right, cos phi minus cos theta with minus, this take right side sin cos phi minus cos theta and minus cos sin phi minus sin theta. Students, I just write down again this full form. This is the ax plus by cos phi minus cos theta. I just write down this minus inside, then this minus and this plus y, and plus that's your expansion. So sin theta cos phi minus sin theta cos theta minus cos theta sin phi plus sin theta cos theta, and students, these are the cancel, and that is your formula. Cos either sine, which one? It is surely sine. So sin phi minus sin theta x plus cos theta minus cos phi y, and here I will write down sin theta minus phi, either phi minus theta. That's the students equation of line AB. Now question read, we want to distance perpendicular from the origin to given line this AB. So can we write down here ax plus by plus c? Yes, so distance perpendicular, right? Derive that. Therefore perpendicular distance from 0 0 is what? ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. That is a big calculation, sir. Now a what? 0, x1 0, y1 0, and c is what? Sin theta minus phi by upon a square b square. A is that sin phi minus sin theta whole square, same cos theta minus cos phi whole square. Now students, these are simple one by one I expanded. Utilize trigonometric property and get the answer. So I want only here sin theta minus phi in the magnitude, but last part you just expand in fully, whole square expand, sin square phi minus 2 sin phi sin theta sin square theta plus cos square theta 2 cos theta cos phi plus cos square phi. Students, you check this sin square phi and cos square phi. It is 1. Same, this also 1. Indirectly 1 and 1. So your value is the sin theta minus phi, and that is 1 plus 1. And another I have to 2 common taking only, sin phi sin theta plus cos phi cos theta. And students, this is also property. Yes, it is cos formula, cos x minus y related, cos alpha minus beta formula. And that's why I easily ending now my sum in the place of distance. So we going ahead. Distance is a sin theta minus phi upon, that will be 2 minus 2 cos, and this how much formula? Theta minus phi, either phi minus theta. I will write down theta minus phi. And students, you will take again common, 2 common, remaining are 1 minus cos theta minus phi. Now you know that our properties for trigonometrics, sin square theta by 2, which is 1 minus cos theta by 2. So what is the 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2, and this 1 minus cos theta is here. So I just write my values, theta minus phi 2 into 2 times this 1 minus cos phi is what? 2 times sin square theta minus phi by 2. Now 2 2s are 4, square root taking, so your answer is modulus sin theta minus phi by 2 sin theta minus phi by 2. This answer given in your textbook answer, distance from origin. And students, it is the most IMP numerical 3 marks questions. Yes. Now I going ahead, one more sum. Exercise 10, continue ahead. Question number, now students, 6th one. Find the equation of line parallel to y-axis and drawn from the point of the intersection of the 2 lines. Question I properly write down first. Find the equation of the line parallel to y-axis, parallel to y-axis, and drawn through the point of intersection of the 2 lines x minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0, and second 3x plus y is equal to 0. Students, I want to first both intersections L1 and L2. Consider this is L1 line, this is L2 line. It means my target, I achieve first L1 and L2, both common intersection point P, and that is the parallel to y-axis. This here y-axis. So I want to this line. Definitely it is a vertical line. Yes. So first of all, I just derive both elimination. L1 intersection L2. It is common point P. Can I multiply here 7? X minus 7, y minus 5. 7 multiply 7, 3 is a 21. 7y and 0. 7 multiply it. I will take elimination. So 22x minus 5, x become minus 5 by 22. X done. Y also done, students. From here, how much? Minus 5 by 22. So 15 by 22. It means intersection value, students, done. P point minus 5 by 22 and 15 by 22, and that I will apply here. Minus 5 by 22 comma 15 by 22. Students, check here questions. I want to parallel to y-axis. It means exactly vertical, and that's answer is 22x plus 5 is equal to 0. So required line parallel, read the questions, parallel to y-axis is x is equal to a, x is equal to minus 5 by 22. So 22x is equal to minus 5. So 22x plus 5 is equal to 0, and that's your students answer 22x plus 5. It is parallel to y-axis and passing through what? L1 and L2, both are common intersections. Next, question number 7. Seventh also, students, very interesting questions. Find the equation of line drawn parallel to given line through the point and where it is made the y-axis. Properly write first questions. Find the equation of a line drawn perpendicular to the line x by 4 plus y by 6 is equal to 1 through the points where it meets the y-axis. So again, read proper question, students. What is the question? Find the equation of line drawn perpendicular to this line. So first of all, I derive this line in the way of simple LCM. What is LCM? 12. Here 3 4s are, 6 2s are. So 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. This line. And this line also I plot on the axis. Then you can easily understood what I telling here is the origin. Taking here y0, 12 by 3, x is 4, and taking here x0, y6, and both you common intersect. This is line L, 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now question read. Line through perpendicular but meet at y-axis. This is your y-axis meeting here. B are your B points. So your answer is this. Line M but perpendicular that. Perpendicular given. Very easy. L slope first defined. After that I derive M slope and passing through on it B using slope point. So continue. Slope of L, which is M1 minus a by b, but m perpendicular to L, so m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. And what is the m1? m1 is a minus 3 by 2 according to that slope, minus a by b, and into m2. So what is the m2? It is 2 by 3, and that slopes I write down here in this drawing, slope 2/3. Now students, check slope ready, passing through known, so you can apply by slope point. So required line perpendicular to L and passing through where 0, 6, y minus y1 m x minus xy. Students, slope known you, passing through also known, so you can apply a y1 0, 6. Slope I known that how much? It is 2/3. and next one 0. So my answer is 3y. 6 3s are 18 and 2x. So 2x minus 3y plus 18 is equal to 0. And students, here 2x minus 3y plus 18 till up to, students, this question is easily here done. Now students, up to that 7 question I stop here in this part, students, and further explanations I explain in the next part. Bye bye.